food. Yeah, just like my Carmen son.
But I didn't,
Nelson, but we can have him.
I didn't see him.
Yeah, because he's not here. He's out in the sky.
Why is he up in the sky?
Because some people go to the sky.
Wait,
Wait,
is that you? Child?
this one, yeah. You see my eye here?
Mhm.
As it goes.
Why you was here in this house?
Here's my mom.
So why you was in this house?
Okay, so the point, because that's
But why I said why you was in this house?
Because it was my house.
I didn't like the house.
Of course not.
Then when you was the child, I was in heaven.
No, not you.
And where was I when you were growing?
Me.
Yeah.
You were. Okay, you can say you were in heaven, getting ready to come.
Yeah, maybe I was in heaven.
Yeah. I was a child, you were in heaven. Then I grew up, and you came.
In your tummy.
Yeah.
106 to Finsbury Park.
Mom, do you have a grandpa or no?
You don't have a brother. Who's Uncle Moon? You know my brother?
Uncle Lou is
St.
a brother.
Thomas's Square.
I told you before.
Is he your real brother or the fake brother?
No, your brother is not fake brother.
Like he don't live in your house.
Because we are all grown ups now. We are in different houses. That's why. Yeah.
Some people
Just
don't.
that I come and live in my house. Just how can you live in my house? No, everyone has their own house.
106
For now, we grown
to
up.
Yeah, I
Finsbury
live in your
Park.
house.
You are my child. When you grow up, then you have your own house.
Where is your school bag?
This much school.
Town Hall.
Are we going to school? No.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to go to school.
And Patty.
That would be nice then.
No, not Agnes. We're gonna go to Texas.
Oh my God. We can order on it and then we can deliver tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah?
that's a good idea.
Yeah. We're going to order now from Tesco.
106 to Finsbury Park. Morning Lane, Trelawney Estate.